Alright, Sunday the 19th, we're doing more work at the Parents Project House. We got quite a few broken limbs out of these silver maples in the front that have been topped in the past. Plan is eventually we're going to take them out, but probably not today. Let's go take a look inside real quick. Oh wow. There used to be a kitchen there. So they've demoed pretty much everything that they're going to demo. Now they're at the point where they're going to start hiring professionals to do the rebuild. Lord. What a mess though. Oh hey look. There's shingles from the roof. I guess this is added on at a later date. Huh? Wow. Yeah, that's a nice Velcro wrap right there. Wonder where that came from. Mine. Still got the rainbow unicorn. Alright, that's that. Let's go do some trees. That's kind of the main reason we were here, but I was able to just pull it right out without even climbing. Still have to go up and stub that off. I will be cutting this thing down in the near future, so yeah, I got spurs on. Thing doesn't like to idle until it gets warm, like full warm. Yeah. Could just be because it's not broken in, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, anytime you're using a chainsaw, you want to have two tying points just in accidents happen. I've cut through ropes before. Bye, Gigi! Alright, so I got the update on the project house. I guess I should probably update you on the current house's basement. Yep, it's looking pretty damn good. Floor is pretty amazing. It's actually paper covered in polyurethane. I got my new roof marker lights in today. So I bought the Lumen headlights, and they're kind of shit. Somebody recommended the Anzo brand. Definitely pricier, but they said they were made in the USA and are a good product. Anzo USA, AnzoUSA.com, made in China. So that's cool. And the very first thing I noticed when I opened them, look at that shitty fucking seal job. Fucking no better than the Lumens. I would venture to say they're probably made in the same plant, just branded differently. Just garbage. But you know what? I just don't even care right now. They're going in. So, no more Lumen and no more Anzo for me in the future. Alright, so I got everything off. Side markers, nothing required, looks like, anyway. Bulbs pop out. Should be able to just and go. This guy, not so easy. Then we'll take this connector out, solder in those wires into here. That looks like it's going to be the easiest. Of course the whole thing comes out. Dead and broken. See if I can do this without soldering these clamps to it. I have one good spot on the soldering tip. Sure, you're aware of this, but I don't really know what I'm doing. Alright, I think we're good. Nice! Oh, what the fuck? Come on! Fuck you, Anzo. God damn. Loser with me and lights. The worst look ever. Let's switch these. There's a possibility one of these is bad. So this is off the bad one. Put on the good one. You know, I'm about to smash this stupid piece of shit. For as much as I baby it and how expensive it is, it shouldn't be fucking locking up like it always does. But anyway, got it. It was bad connection. That is, if you can even view any of the previous hour because the camera keeps fucking up. Alright, I still gotta screw them down, but that's it for me tonight. Have a good one, humans.